We're here today on a project in Sturchley. My name's Dan Armstrong, I'm the site manager for Listons Group. We've got two machines working today, Volvo 380 EHR on high reach with an RDC 20 attachment from Lehnhoff. Lehnhoff hitch with a Rotar attachment. We have the standard 380 on a Rotar grab, which is an RG48. We have another one of those over on site that's for the other 380 that we have. We have RSS 40. The job that we're doing here today is the former bowling alley and fitness first gym. Going back in days when we had older machines without the Lehnhoff and quick hitch attachments, we used to spend hours and hours changing attachments in a day. Throughout an 8-hour shift, we probably get 5 hours work. Since we've transferred over to the Lehnhoffs with the Rotar attachments, we're now losing about 20 minutes a day, which in reality of things is great. Switching an attachment now takes a sum total of 2 minutes. The drivers don't have to get out the cabs. It's safer for everybody on site. All our attachments are supplied to us through Worsley Plant, who, when they come out to site, we can ring them and they'll have a fitter out on site within an hour and a half for us. Any little niggly problems are all sorted. Various fitters from Worsley Plant come out to us. Paul is one of the fitters, very knowledgeable. Any little problems that we have are sorted on site on that day. Of recent, we have Nigel come out, who's the workshop manager for Worsley Plant. Twice, on 2 occasions this week, he's been out. We've just had a new shear delivered, which had a few teething problems. Wasn't cutting correctly. Within an hour, Nigel had got that sorted and the cutting potential of the tool was doubled. The reason we use Rotar attachments is because they're the best in their league. Although they're a little bit more expensive, the potential with them is that they don't break down, there's no problems with them. Pretty much every attachment we've got on site is Rotar. We've just recently started using Lehnhoff buckets. We've had a riddle bucket on site, we've got a ditching bucket. It basically makes all our attachments versatile, from 380s to 250s, as the hitches are all the same size. Any machine can use any attachment, which means you can have 3-4 machines on site. Every single one can pick up every attachment and use it.